I want you to get a spreadsheet and put those things down that I've said, and then I want you to work out what that's going to cost you as an organization out of that £75 an hour, for example, on top of that staff member's hourly rate. So I hope that was helpful to you. Do like and subscribe to my YouTube channel here so that I can do further training to help you to understand the aspects of running a staffing business or healthcare business, medical staffing business, recruitment care agency business. Work out what your rates are. What prices do you charge? I've got further videos on here, but I just wanted to point this out now because things are changing. And yes, some of you are working from home, but you still have things to pay for. So I hope that that was helpful to you all.